The tension is high, the moment is now. Engineering and You Season 2 is on. Ogun State schools are ignited for a clash of minds with all their might as Ijemotitun High School takes on Archbishop Dada Akinde Anglican Academy this Friday, 30th May 2025 at 5:30 p.m. Debating on the topic, will robotics and automation replace engineers in the future? Who will win the argument? Join us on OGTV, YouTube at OGTV Abeokuta, and all our social media platforms to watch live. Engineering and You, building a better future for Nigeria. This program is sponsored by Prince Engineer Yemisi Shilon, FNSC, empowered by the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Abeokuta branch.